There is a bird in my house. Really?
Okay, I think I'm gonna have to get the broom and steer him out, maybe.
He's moving.
Where is he? I don't want him on the window because he might hurt himself.
Right there. See him right there. I have no idea how a bird went in my house. Okay. Right there. Oops, that's a cap. Oh. He's right there. See him right there.
Oh, he's almost
Yes,
there.
yes, Grandma, yes. Right there.
Oh, no,
He
he's
loves our
going
big
away
home.
from it.
He loves our big home, really.
Oh no, he's going away from the door.
Right there.
Oh, please,
Come on,
please.
go over there, go over there.
What is, he's so afraid he can't smell the fresh air, and he probably can't see. But hopefully he's going to go
Go
out.
over there.
Just
Smack.
back away from him. Back away. Oh, he's going? Go,
Over there.
baby,
Go,
go.
go, go. Over there, over there.
Oh no.
Really?
Oh.
Well, anyways.
Oh no, he's
Bye.
going in the house. We don't want you in the house.
Woo!
Yay! Yay!
Oh, he went out.
Yay! Yay! Oops. Okay, you close that door.
Yeah, she doesn't really know now.
You close that door. I'll close this door.